Right, today's the day. I'm going to be taking the engine out of the 36, ready for the engine swap. Got Gaby with me today, give me a hand. We've got a fair amount to do, so we better get started. So first things first, we've got to take the bumper off and the front wheels to get off, just to give us enough room to get out all the bolts that we need to take out. Headlights out, and we'll go from there. Easy enough.
Tell me from this something I shouldn't be doing.
That's perfect, mate.
Fine so far?
All good.
All good.
So one bolt left.
One bolt left?
Counted 4.
Should have had to count before starting working on cars.
There we go. Beautiful.
Like this first.
Look at that.
There you go. Plug this side.
Well, you could be aware of some plugs. What are those plugs for?
These are for the front fog lights. Plug. Still that cable to on this side. Dangle that one. Oh. Don't worry, I don't do this with my customer cars.
Look at that. A car with no chin.
Oh, it has got a drain. Wow! King. Cool. Try not to make a mess.
That's off.
Do you think it's a bit of an excessively long screwdriver, Phil?
A little bit. So far, so bumper's come off, right? We've drained it out of coolant, taken the airbox out.
Yep.
What is the next step?
The idea is, instead of lifting the engine up and out like that, that we can just pull it straight out the front, which makes it loads easier.
Right, okay, I get you.
A lot of this is going to just be watching me struggle to wiggle pluggles. Pluggles? Coolant pipes, top and bottom hose, rad, so it's free. There's one. Two. A bendy screwdriver. I'm gonna give it a wiggle. And it's off. Number 2. Can't get the fan to come loose. I think it's just rusty and old. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the rad back into its mounts, and we're going to just take it off with the front end of the car. Illegal to drain it out.
Yeah.
We won't be filming that.
Nah, there's no aircon gas currently in this vehicle. We can confirm.
say, this isn't the way to do it, but because we're getting rid of it, it doesn't really matter. There was a tiny bit of gas in there.
No, it wasn't.
Everyone gets the engine and they lift it out of the front like this. Because this front end is fixed in here. There's 2 spot welds on either side, one there and one there, and the same on this side. And that prevents you from taking this piece off.
So give that a move, just so we can see.
Well, you can see if you wiggle it.
Yeah, it's literally being held on by just there and there. Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, because I want a removable front end, just for ease of access. It depends if this ends up being a drift car, we're not sure yet. So just drill out those 2 spot welds, and then saves having to remove all the pieces over there. We can just take the whole front end off in one, the rad pack and everything. It just saves having to do this process, and it's going to make it a hell of a lot easier. The end can just be pulled out the front.
Yeah, slide in and out as opposed to just lift that up and over.
Yeah,
yep.
100%.
Hey, great success.
So next is going to be disconnecting the harness and the fuel lines. So we've got various plugs and stuff to disconnect, and all the pipes.
Yeah, welcome to another episode of Uneducated Mechanic.
And labosh. Right, what about that one? No, that's something else.
Yeah, so it should now, that plastic piece should slide up.
In theory.
Give it a tug, that's it. Yes, him. So that goes into, does that go into the ECU? It does, look at that. That's what we wanted. It's got I've had a productive day today. We didn't get as much done as we wanted to. We wanted to get this engine out, but there's no rush for it, so we're still happy. Gaby got involved, enjoyed himself.
Of course.
Good. So we managed to get the whole front end off the car. We had a bit of a struggle with the rad pack, so that slowed us down a bit. Disconnect the aircon system as well. And we've now disconnected the fuel lines underneath. So next time it's going to be a case of disconnecting the prop shaft. Most of the video is going to be me lying on the floor. Disconnect gearbox mounts, we've got engine mounts, drop the exhaust, and then she's pretty much ready to come out. I'm sure there's something I've forgotten. When we go to pull it out, we'll probably find a few things.
Well, hopefully some people let us know in the comments.